tia mochre e de amamo ebra nasara youth for onwani abre sa afu we de ya bre ni de bia ye de ballot box no mama ye chiche no this time you say person ye doctors ye hu Dr. Mustafa Hamid ye hu Dr. Hwan ye hu Dr. Omuni na ye kremofo ye hu Dr. Bawumia enti say yes you here education, a robust education system in the Nasara area. Yes, we bet my day. Aboa ye mano. One more mudio mutu kwan kosuya doctor ni adie no. Ye pesa adie ni bi. No. The incompetent party, after copying NPP manifesto, still couldn't come up with the policy to renew or to change the minds of Zongo people. What kills me is that yet Ghana for almost 65 or 64 years. Now, so you encourage ready budget ya Zongo for the Abemuda. No. The notice sometimes say, me ya so bit Zongo. Now, or cassette ya MPP abain. And now, or cast on pese on MPP abain or pen this abain. Eya na mensunote. Because ebra momu hono ya kind budget, ya kind budget, ya kind budget. Ya mbo bibia se Zongo ministry da. No. Mini abema uti Zongo. Say yeti Zongo ministry emma wana say yeti bibi sa amamwa. What happens ne say ye ko ready budget a musumu din wo mu bi. Enti ye ko peska de bebu Ghana maya Zongo fo musumu sika wo mu bi. Monsha ejuma sa Zongo and inner city development sa way some ministry no kwa edeba. Look at the people that were employed from the Zongo kwa. Look at the people the ICT centers near the idea almost in the Zongo Nasara for Nasara coordinator Alaji Fatao. Last what the project ni be better you be a who computer lab school blocks near the idea. Yes, this is in Zongo through the Zongo and inner city initiative. Abain bi ba ye no. Abain no kra ho na moji mu vote. Ye ka Zongo fu ho na motom abade kono. Wambegino who say, Ebra Bassa Yenuan Zongo for so, ye do beba den, ye do beba budgeting. Ne ye copeska de abro mina, yakase sanko for way, ye jom watche, ye jom what to carry no watches. They say, young baby be a de elevate you. It took MPP government to do that. When NDC was given opportunity to tell the Zongo youth what they would do for them, almost your mobile brem Okada. Yam brem Okada. Your best guy, Samole, mortuary work. This is what they promise you people. The same 2020 election, a year koto. I sanko biya kadi oyeno. I feel the NDC for someone already free education by it. That tells you, say, these people have nothing to offer Ghana. You cannot tell me you are the one who brought a policy when you sponsor 46 advertisements against that same policy. You cannot tell me you are the originator of a policy when even the little you said you were going to do, that's the so-called gradual process you said, then they tried to do, no, you couldn't even pay the fees. You cannot say you are the originator of free SHS when you have actually bastardized it with media men. Abeku Santana no kahon, eko kasa die free bia enya papa Ghana for munga ye reference to na mono. Free education, they spoke against it. Free education, 419. They sang all manner of things against it. Until 2020, Ebra Mr. Mahama ni NDC for pedo manuko ka say, woman no free education by no. Na sanke wa Ghana for say, hey, they have been crofo we no kreni mu. Anything to get vote, they will stay. Because it was in 2018. And the Papa Mahama ka say, free education no bo o mine ka na enam free education nti na ama o mine no ho akere no na se ono His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so wo 2 billion on fan ye free education. He said this in 2018. Ghana for muntie ni ye pa. 2020 again, NDC didn't have anything to give to Ghanaians. Say, ye be say. The aye can say, Akufo Addo nyamon pamono, Akufo Addo nyamon pamono, Akufo Addo de oye nepotism mompamono, Akufo Addo amagana yeshi mompamono, mompamono, dently empamono, wamagana yeshi mompamono. There was no alternative, say, Akufo Addo ama Ghana yesi. Yen ba ye de akwan ba ku mienu miensa we beto ho a ebema Ghana fo ko mu adwo mo. NDC never have that policy. NDC never have that thinking. It's never so with them. O man bia politician bia ubedi adia. Hey me ba mama me akwanya na meye say. Ya no so de omo ba omo say we antimi anye say we an man didi ena nam no krom omo we no omo amayen ti ya economy ya na biscuit nka ho aden ye benum ti ya biscuit nka ho Ghana say Ghana abubo Ghana tutu eja them nothing as a solution was suggested by NDC to help anybody. And that was the time I young Ghana phone in Anaki and I also say NDC for way they have run out of ideas. They have nothing good for Ghana. Because the what's not mine so 27 years. Now we can't remember so mine dear. Young Kobisa will be already 12 years and I say what no sebi e will form unima membo etikawanutum ne etikasi we are jina na the down kwani ne ba umia o mumbu Ghana because they are actually moving Ghana forward. There has never been an election. NDC if I come out to declare consignment and say, this is what we will do when we come to power. They be a yendi kokonsa. Yen say obi. Yen kase we nye. Yen kase we ye diska. Yen kase we ni we ya koda. Yen kase we ni we ya chempuna. Eno nkwa. Na.
Wajina mwanye. Ntesu okura bi manenu. Eno wadi abawura ofie. Ena baako. Wa main dada. Wa ye kromfo okura wa main. Ena omu nyina pacho ye kase chusumu bi na ombe wia wa hwan na nkape kromfo na akwam de no ha o pe kromfo na nka kwam de no wonu obeku omu no omu ba mu ade pa ebinu so ba man ko fa ma e o polipolo tru anu okọ but media nyansam no kameyi de wadidi ame peche ono ko oba na akrokro nko otimi da eni kum timi fa no ada but there you say a hungry man is an angry man oba ne bofu dada NDC say a kasika omawia over $5 billion ye ka ho asem court ntima memfa allegedly say entitled omawia man no a eno ne echichi wo ma no mo sa ato ayempia say Commonwealth mumro na ye tata enkrofo and all this say mutsisa aban a say sika wina be ko inve ipa ba Akufo be di say the hu bi no be di NDC is never a trustworthy party. Mumo mun na opposition tamale enne mahu tamale airport enne mahu tamale airport nti tamale fo se musa akoto line na moto abama NDC a na se bi mo amfa nyansa anto aba de bia mebo so keta NDC by 8 years ye di akọ parliament age hu sika se yakwa kwesi kita sea defense